Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In this video, I'm going to be looking at no-win, no-fee manhole/drain cover accident compensation claims. I'll be taking a look at whether or not you can claim, how to claim, and how much you may be entitled to by looking at personal injury compensation amounts if you've been involved in a manhole/drain cover accident which has resulted in an injury. So that's personal injury compensation, how much you may be entitled to, and how to claim. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. And if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. It's almost impossible to walk down the street and to not pass a manhole or drain cover. But from time to time, due to negligence of those responsible for their maintenance, neglect causes manholes/drain covers to become faulty. And in these circumstances, they have the potential to pose a danger to those using public highways. If you've been involved in an accident related to a faulty manhole/drain cover and it wasn't your fault, you may be entitled to compensation. So, how do you begin the process of claiming compensation for a faulty manhole/drain cover injury? Well, in order to bring a claim for an accident resulting in a manhole/drain cover accident injury, we recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims specialist that has experience in dealing with manhole/drain cover accident claims. Now, the good news for you is that we at legalexpert.co.uk are happy to offer you a completely free of charge, no obligation consultation. During this, we'll talk through your accident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us whenever you'd like, as we're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, by calling our free phone helpline, which is 0800 652 7676, or by visiting our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. So whether you've tripped over drain cover and would like to know more information on what to do next, or you'd like advice on claims against the council for personal injury, we'll be happy to do all we can to help you establish who is responsible for drain covers, how to make a claim after a fall, and how much compensation for a fall you may be entitled to by going over the average payout for slip and fall in the UK. Following this consultation, we will talk through your manhole/drain cover accident compensation injury claim with you. If we believe that we're able to assist you, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that there won't be any upfront fees, but most importantly, if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Now, as promised, let's take a look at personal injury compensation amounts from manhole/drain cover accident injury in our compensation claim amount table.
So in front of us we have the table for manhole/drain cover compensation claim amounts, and for a neck injury this is a moderate settlement and will depend upon actual neck damage suffered, loss of movement and pain levels. You could expect to receive anything from £6,000 right the way up to £29,250. For a severe neck injury, settlement is dependent upon the severity of break as well as other ongoing factors, but you could expect to receive anything between £34,575 right the way up to £112,750. Then for a back injury, this is a moderate back injury and the amount will depend on lasting pain and the severity of the initial damage. You could expect to receive anything between £9,500 right the way up to £21,100. Then for a severe back injury, this is dependent on several factors including amount of pain, severity of damage and long-term effects. You could expect to receive anything between £29,475 right the way up to £122,350. Then for a severe pelvis injury in category 1, you could expect to receive anything between £62,490 right the way up to £104,370. Then severe pelvis injury category 2, you could expect to receive anything between £49,350 right the way up to £62,490. Then a severe pelvis injury category 3, you could expect to receive anything between £31,220 right the way up to £41,860. Then a moderate pelvis injury, you could expect to receive anything between £21,200 right the way up to £31,220, and that is for significant injury to the pelvis or hip, but any permanent disability is not major and any future risk is not great. Then moderate pelvis injury. Now these cases may involve hip replacements or other surgery, and you could expect to receive anything between £10,040 right the way up to £21,200. Then lesser pelvis injuries. You could expect to receive anything between £3,150 right the way up to £10,040. Then finally, lesser pelvis injuries. You could expect to receive anything up to £3,150.
I'd like to emphasise that these figures are the amounts that you may receive solely as an award for the injury itself, and does not include the amount of any loss of income from time off work or any expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the amount of your claim is likely to be larger. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks.
Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claim specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk.
Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.